Alrighty. Another day in paradise. We're going to meet Zach and Justin. You already met Zach. We'll see Justin today. He's a fun guy. He has the red CBR 500 in 2013. So it should be a good time. Let's get this baby started. A little wet today. Ain't no harm. What a beautiful day. So beautiful. Doesn't get any more beautiful. Visibility is real good. Hey. What's up? Oh my gosh.
I look good, don't I?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Are you gonna ride in that?
It's raining, duh. My hat tops it off.
Yeah. Well, how are you gonna get your helmet over that? Oh, no, put it over the helmet. Yeah, bro.
Dude, you should just give him your helmet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What?
Because it's the same color. Oh, yeah. That CBR 500. Sounds like a dirt bike. Oh my god.
Tell me something. You motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation. Your DNA.
Yeah, good.
Use a bitch, or I'm on Charlie Swift.
Oh, his front is sliding. Bro, how long is this light? I think Zach's out of gas, I'm not sure.
Yeah, he's out of gas.
Yeah, and the nearest gas station is 2.5 miles away.
We can just take you to go get gas and bring it back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just get a little bottle of it.
Yeah.
And get up the road.
Alright, let's go buy a Gatorade or something. We'll fill that up.
Oh, wait, there's parking down there.
Yeah, there's an intersection a little bit further up.
You run, bitch.
Let's get it, Zach. To the gas station. Oh shit. Alright.
I'm not ready for this, bro.
Ready for the wheelies?
Oh, if you do a wheelie, I'm gonna cry.
Are we cute?
Oh, shit! How the fuck do girls do this? Oh, yeah! Oh. Fuck that!
I think I see where we're going with this one here. Hey, been around the world and back, yeah, I did that.
What? Did you make sure all the water is out first?
Yeah. No, half of it was water. Alright, now we gotta head back.
We got Zach's gas. Well, we got a water bottle full of gas. Now we're heading back to for him to fill up. He's having a hard time getting out of that little hill there. Backing up, backing up, backing up. Oh my God, I'm dying. Getting on the highway. It's about to rain, so we're just gonna head home. See ya. Should start downpouring in a second here. Perfect timing. Got just a little bit wet. Justin was messing with my balls every time. I never turn these things on. Stay safe out there.